Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the gold price has moved in the last 2 days and how the gold price can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart, what you can see that the gold price after moving in a particular range has made a breakout at this particular zone and made a high of around 1814, and from there we have seen it has profit booking has come at that way at that particular price, and from there we have seen a sharp fall. Okay, and it had made a low of around 1795. Okay, and now it is currently moving at around 1797. Okay, so before that, if you have any doubt regarding a gold position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in gold is working. And if you look at the chart, suppose if the price after this profit booking has come and that it made a low of 1795, and from there it has moved a little upside and made a high of around 1803. Okay, so what we can see looking at the chart, okay, see what we can see that the price has fallen from in 2 days. Okay, so suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then what we can see, it can go and touch a level of 1794, and which is it's the range high, which has it has break, and this particular range has made a high. This is the 1794, which is a range high, so probability is very high, okay, that we can see it can touch this level and it can bounce back from this level. Okay, but suppose it bounce back from this level, and if it bounce again after touching it resistance, come back with the price of around 1796, then we can see it can go it can go and come in this particular zone again. Okay, so if now trading at 1797, then probability is high it can go and touch a level of 1794.80, and from there if it didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 1793, and if it goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1790, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 1787 if it didn't sustain a level of 1790. Okay, and from there we can see it can go further low to a level of 1784, and if that price also didn't sustain, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1779. Okay, once the price goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1773. Okay, and from there we can see it can go further low to a level of 1770. Okay, this is the particular range. Once if it goes below 1770, then we can see yes, probability is very high it can go and touch a level of 1765, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 1760. Okay, if it goes below a level of 1763, then we can see it can go further low and can touch a level of 1760. Okay, and then 1760 is a strong support. So what we can see, if it bounce back from there, then we can see a little upside movement, or if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 1753. Okay, so if it goes below the 1753, then you can check my previous video where I have told if the price goes below this level, where all can go. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, suppose if the gold price sustain this level, then we can see it can go further to a level of it can go and touch a level of 1799.56. Okay, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 1802, and from there if it goes above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1803.97. Suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1808.37. if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1812. Okay, suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 1812.41, and from there we can see it can go further high to a level of 1814.61. Okay, and this level is already tested here twice, so chances will be very high we can see a level of 1821.91, and from there we can see it can go further high to a level of 21, and then from there we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of 1826.69, and from there we can see it can go further upside to a level of 1831. Once 1831 is touched, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 1836, and from there we can see it can go 1838 also. So keep this in mind. If the price goes above a level of if the price goes above a level of 1804, then we can see it can touch a level of more of our upside and can touch a level of 1814 also and can go further upside. But if the price goes below a level of 73, then we can see further low in the price of gold. Before one thing important, that suppose if you are trading with 10,000 capital, okay, so you should always be using your 15 to 10% of capital, or you can reduce the amount if you are a beginner. Okay, suppose then your per trade stop loss should be 0.5 to 1%. That means if you are trading with $1,000, your range will be 0.5 to $1. That means $50 to $100 will be your risk, so that you should, if it goes in the negative position, you can trade easily in the next day or in the relaxed mood. Or if you are in 100, if your trade is in a profit, so exit in 75% profit. Of profit, maximum risk you should take is 25%. Suppose if you are trading, your profit is $100, once it comes down to 75, exit the trade for the day, because it is very important that you, if you are in a profit, you should always exit in a profit. That should be your mindset. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.